Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. So in today's video it's just going to be me tidying up my house. I had been gone over the weekend, so I just decided to get everything nice and cleaned up. And of course I'm starting in my bedroom, which I usually don't start in my bedroom. I usually start in the kitchen, but today I thought I would start in my bedroom today. And then on this part here, I noticed that the letters on my blanket were upside down, so I'm sorry if that bothered anyone. I didn't realize it when I was filming the video, so sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning my bedroom and we will move on to the next thing. Hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm just separating all of the clothes that were on my bedroom floor that I put into the laundry basket. I just do a rough separate. It's not anything fancy, so it is what it is. And then I'm just gonna start that blanket. That blanket has been sitting in that floor right there for a couple weeks now, and I just haven't gotten a chance to wash it, so I finally decided, well, I'm gonna get this off my floor. And then after this, I'm just going to be taking all of the clothes that I hang up to dry and putting them away, because I put those up before I left for the weekend, and now they're definitely all dry and need to be put into the closet. Now in this part of the video, you'll see me vacuum and mop this floor, but you'll see me not put the rug back. But at the end of the video, I do put the rug back. If you guys were wondering, I just wanted to make sure that the floors were dry before I put it back. I'm now starting on the kitchen. It wasn't too terribly dirty. I just needed to put these dishes away and wipe down the counters and the stove and things like that. It wasn't really too bad. It's not anything crazy. also comment down below if you prefer this more relaxing music or if you like more of a upbeat type music, because I can do either. I don't know what you guys prefer, so yeah, just comment down below and let me know which music you prefer in these cleaning videos. And also, I just want to let you know that I am using to clean the counters the Method Granite Cleaner in, I believe, apple or something like that, just in case you're wondering. Also, if you're wondering, those roses there came from my rose bush in my front yard. I realized after I had wiped down all the counters that I had forgotten to wash these few dishes that need to be washed by hand. So yeah, that's why they're being done last minute. Well guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go down and hit that like button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. Also, don't forget to go down and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!